Hello, I'm Paul Field from WFP Fire and Security. The reason you're watching this video is because you want a brief explanation on what we're talking about with BS 5839 Part 1 2017. It's the standard in the UK for fire alarms, so it covers design, installation, commissioning, maintenance and a whole host of items in between those particular headings. The way the law works in the UK is a fire risk assessment is carried out by a fire risk assessor. That assessment will give you a level of coverage that you require for your building, or they are telling you that you need for your building. Now, the way a fire alarm system works is that you have a fire alarm panel, you have manual call points, which are the red break glasses that you will see by the exits and change of level, and you'll have sounders. Now, according to BS 5839, that's a manual type system, so that would be an M type system. So all fire alarms are going to need that. Then, more interestingly, the fire risk assessor would have looked at your premises and decided you need an L, 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. L stands for life safety. So that assessment is going to tell you which one of these standards you need on top of the manual system. So the manual system is the basic bottom line level, and this is how many detectors you need. So if the fire risk assessor was to say you need an L3 system, I would then look into BS 5839. It will tell me you need detectors in the corridors, you need detectors in rooms that affect the corridor, and it would also tell me I don't need to cover the room within the room that affects the corridor. So using that information and your drawings or a design of your building, I can then lay out how many smoke detectors you need to comply to the standard that your fire risk assessor has set out. Now, BS 5839 also covers maintenance. It denotes how many maintenance visits you should have. It talks about the kind of things that should be done in maintenance. It also has the model certificates that all specialist companies will be using, which will detail the kind of tests that they've done on your system and recommended actions that you need to take with looking after your life safety system. There's a load of information in BS 5839 and a lot more than you can discuss in a short video. But if you need any more information, then please contact us.